So now we have a bit of an understanding about what HTML is, we can start to look at setting up our document. In order to set up an HTML document, certain elements are required. We start with the document type declaration, which must be the first line of the code in the HTML document. This is an exclamation mark, doc type, and HTML. This lets the browser know that we are using HTML. The current behavior of using HTML here is that the browser will assume we're using HTML5 as it's the current standard version. When you save the file, you must save it ending with a .html. We'll call our file index.html. After the doc type declaration, we can add opening and closing HTML tags. Anything that goes between these HTML tags will be read or interpreted as HTML code by the browser. Next, we use the head tag or element. This will contain metadata, which is information about the web page for the browser, and it's not displayed on the page itself. Inside the head, we can tell the browser where to find other files, such as for the CSS and the JavaScript. Another example is the title tag. The title tag is important for screen readers and search engines. Depending on the browser, this will be displayed in the tab bar. We must define a non-empty title here. Next, we go on to adding the body tag. Only the elements inside of the body tags will be displayed on the screen.